All right, this is for Algebra 2, Semester 1. On page 121, this is number 1 right here. It's asking you to put an equation in standard form. Standard form is listed up here. This is called slope-intercept form. And we're going to need the slope-intercept form first because they give us a point, which is point P, the point 23, and they give us a slope of 1. And we're going to use this slope-intercept form right here to plug in the 3 pieces that they gave us. They gave us the point 23, and they gave us the slope as 1. So point P was 23, and M was 1. And they took the 2 and they plugged it in for X. They took the 3 and they plugged it in for Y. And they took the 1 and they plugged it in for M. And that's down here, you solved it, you got the B is 1. So your equation then, y equals x plus 1, would be your equation, because you'd have 1 for your slope. This would be like 1x plus 1, which you don't need the 1 there. So you subtract x to both sides, because you need to get it in standard form, which has the x and the y on the same side of the equal sign. So negative x plus y equals 1. And you can pause the video if you need to catch up. 13, they're going to give you M and they're going to give you B. So they're going to be a lot easier. So you're going to do 1 through 6 like this, and then you're going to get to 13 through 18, and you're going to use this right here. M is negative 1, B is 2. Plug it right in. Y equals mx plus b. Move the x to the other side because you need x and y together for standard form, and you have your standard form equation. So 13 through 18 should not take you very long. Pause it if you need to catch up, just pause it. Number 19, they're going to give you 2 points. You need to first find your slope. That's your slope formula right here, the M formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Find your slope, which in this case is negative 2/5. And then you're going to plug that into your equation. Y equals mx plus b. Plug in 0 and 0 because that's the easiest one to use. 0, 0 gets plugged in down here. You get b is 0. So you take that 0, you plug it in up here. So you had y equals negative 2/5 x plus 0 if you wanted to. And you need standard form, so you multiply both sides by 5 to get rid of the fraction, and then you move the x to the left and you get standard form. Page 129, you're going to be doing 7 through 12. Here's 7. It's 2x minus 7y equals 10. 5x minus 6y equals 2. This is a review of Algebra 1. We need to eliminate here. We need to get rid of one of our variables. So I'm going to multiply everything on the top by 5, because that's going to make this a 10x. I get 10x minus 35y equals 50. And I'm going to multiply everything down here on the bottom by negative 2, because that's going to make this a negative 10x. And that will cancel out my x's. Plus 12y equals negative 4. And then you're going to cancel those out. Combine those two and you get a 23 in negative. Negative 23y equals 46. Divide by negative 23 and you get y equals negative 2. Take that negative 2 and plug it into your first equation. So 2x minus 7 times negative 2 equals 10. 2x plus 14 equals 10. Subtract 14. You get 2x equals negative 4. And divide by 2. You're going to get x equals negative 2. So your solution to this problem is negative 2 for x and negative 2 for y. Your solutions are going to be coordinates. And your worksheet is just the same stuff. You should be able to do all the problems on the worksheet and all the problems in the book. So good luck. If you need any help, please come up and get help.